Good morning students. So here you can see part 4 maths chapter 2 class 9. This is based on exercise 2.4 and it is also known as factor theorem. You can see the first question. Determine that x minus 1 is one of the factor of x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. You can see that I have shown two figures here, two methods here, method 1 and method 2. Now question is, determine that x minus 1 is one of the factor. That means this is one of the factor. And after that you have to find the rest factors of p of x. So here you can see I have shown first is a division method. In examination you can use any of the either of the method if they have not specified which method you are supposed to use. So method 1 is a division method. You can see here. Let's begin. So x minus 1 I have to divide with x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. So x to be multiplied with x square, x into x square x cube minus 1 into x square is minus 1x square. Alter the sign, this got cancelled. Minus 23 plus 1x is minus 22x square. 142 came down. Now x has to be multiplied with minus 22x to become minus 22x square. Minus minus plus 22 ones are 22x. Alter the sign, this got cancelled. Now plus minus minus, that means subtraction. 142 minus 22, answer is 120x. Minus 120 will come down. X to be multiplied with 120 to get 120x. 120 ones are 120, which is minus 120. Alter the sign, they both got cancelled. So your remainder is 0. That means it is proved x minus 1 is one of the factor. Now you have to find other factors. Here you can see I have used the easier method also. What I have done is x minus 1 I have taken 0. So x is equals to 1. I have kept this 1 here instead of x, and you can see that ultimate result is 0. So it proves that x minus 1 is one of the 0. So you can find the other factors using division method. Now one factor, this is the one factor that has been finalized. This has been identified. Now to find the other factors, I need to take the quotient and factorize it. How many polynomials are there? This is trinomial. Okay, and it is the splitting the middle term. What you will do is you will take the first and last terms coefficient. This is 1 and 120. Use 120, which is plus, to get the middle term. Now 120 factors are 10 and 12. If you add them up, it becomes 22. So these are the further factors for them. Now as you have brought this factor using addition, because the last term is having the sign of plus, you have to give this factor the sign of middle term, which is minus. So what you will do is you will rewrite them, which is x square minus 10x minus 12x plus 120. So instead of minus 22, you will write these two factors which you have got from 120. Now 2 terms, 3 term question is further classified into 4 terms. You can see trinomial has become polynomial. Divide into 2's group. So in first group x is common. So what is left behind? X into x, x square. X to be multiplied with minus 10 to become minus 10x. So your first factor is out. Rewrite the first factor. Now the second factor, to obtain second factor, this x has to be multiplied with minus 12 to become minus 12x. Minus minus plus 12 tens are 120. So this is your second factor. X minus 10 and x minus 12. And already one of the factor was there, which is x minus 1. So this all are the factors of given polynomial. Isn't it clear? So kindly practice about this kind of questions. Sometimes they are asked in 3 or 4 marks. Second question is, find the value of k if x minus 1 is one of the factor of p of x. Okay, So already we know that x minus 1 is one of the factor. That means x is equals to 1. Let's keep the value here. I'll keep this 0 because it is one of the factor. So this is k. Your k value will be, this 2 goes left side, so it becomes minus 2 minus root 2 is the value of k. Now again I will take x is equals to 1, so p of 1 square plus 1 plus k. Now already this is one of the factors, so I will take 0. 1 plus 1 plus k, 2 plus k is equals to 0, 2 comes here, so x is equals to minus 2. The value of k is minus 2. Now factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now here what will you do is, you will try to take them as common. So here I can see x square is common, so x minus 2. So this first factor is out, just rewrite it. Now this 2 be multiplied with minus 1, so minus 1 into x is minus x, minus minus plus, 1 2s are 2. So your factors are x minus 2, x square minus 1. Can you see this? This can be further factorized. Yes. How? X minus 2 as it is. Now this will be x the whole square minus 1 the whole square. This belongs to one of the identity which we are going to study in the next portion. But you should know that this is called a square minus b square. That means this both will be added once and subtracted once. So x minus 2, x plus 1 and x minus 1 is the answer. I hope you have understood part 4 and go through with this kind of examples in your textual exercise for the better understanding. Thank you and wait for the part 4 and 5.